Lovable just raised one of the biggest Series A's in history, $200 million at a $1.8 billion valuation. But the story of how they got there is even crazier. It all started one weekend when Anton Osaka hacked together a tool that turned plain English into working code. Which is just funny how that doesn't sound crazy anymore. He called it GPT Engineer and he posted it on GitHub and then he went to bed. But when he woke up, it had blown up. And over the next few weeks, it got 50,000 stars and hundreds of thousands of users. But this is when the key moment happened that turned Lovable into the product it is today. So not surprisingly, his inbox was completely flooded after this viral moment on GitHub. But the messages weren't from developers. They were from people who had never coded before in their life and were magically now building their own apps. And that's when it clicked. 99% of the best ideas in the world are stuck in people's heads who can't code. And this is when Anton realized AI shouldn't help engineers move faster, it should help everyone else build. And that insight is what turned GPT Engineer into Lovable, and it's why Lovable has turned into a movement, as well as an insanely fast-growing unicorn. But compare it to Canva. Before Canva existed, there were 5 million designers in the world, but now we have 220 million designers. It completely democratized design. And Lovable's wanting to do the same thing for building software. And based on their growth, I think they're going to do it. Listen to these stats. They hit 1 million ARR in 8 days, 10 million ARR in 60 days, 50 million ARR in 6 months, and they only have 35 employees. But now they have 2.3 million users that love Lovable. But they have a long way to reach their goal. They want to create 1 billion builders on this earth. And it's just another reason I love Lovable.